Hello there, fantastic viewers. I'm glad you're back on my channel. I have something incredibly exciting to share with you. Today, I will discuss John MacGregor and Robert Kiyosaki's suggestions for current investment opportunities. So buckle up and explore their insights together. Before I begin, I want you to picture today's financial situation. The world is facing recession and high inflation at the moment. What does high inflation mean? High inflation refers to a sustained increase in the general price level of goods and services over time. Your money's purchasing power is reduced as a result, so it's critical to modify your investing strategy to mitigate its consequences. Before I give you the insights of Robert Kiyosaki and John MacGregor on what to invest in 2023, I'll give you a sight of the financial struggles people are facing today and how to overcome it. Here are some tips on where to invest your money, according to Kiyosaki and MacGregor.
And I've been in the trenches with these people, and most people struggle financially. I don't care how much money you're making, most people spend more than they make. So whether you're a wealthy individual, that's why 78% of people, working adults today, are living paycheck to paycheck. Working adults, that's 8 out of 10 people, are struggling financially. And it's a huge stress on people's minds.
Tip number 1, investing in gold. Gold, often referred to as the safe haven asset, has been valued across cultures and civilizations for its beauty, rarity, and intrinsic worth. Its allure extends beyond mere aesthetics. It's a symbol of wealth and stability that has stood the test of time. Robert Kiyosaki, renowned for his financial wisdom, understands the importance of including gold in your investment mix. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, acting as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties. Kiyosaki advocates for owning physical gold or gold-backed assets, as they can provide stability and a sense of security in times of market volatility. As we move into 2023, the global economy continues to face various challenges, from geopolitical tensions to supply chain disruptions. These uncertainties can impact traditional investments, strengthening the case for gold. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in gold is its ability to act as a hedge against uncertainty. In times of economic turmoil, market volatility, or geopolitical tensions, gold tends to hold its value and even appreciate, providing a safe harbor for investors. So, how can you start investing in gold? There are several avenues to explore, ranging from acquiring physical gold in the form of coins or bars to investing in gold exchange-traded funds that track the price of gold. Investing in gold is an effective way to diversify your investment portfolio. As an asset that often moves in the opposite direction of traditional financial markets, gold can help balance your portfolio, reducing overall risk. Tip number 2, investing in the oil market. Oil, which is frequently referred to as the lifeblood of modern society, is vital to the operation of transportation systems, businesses, and even daily life. It serves as both the source of energy for our houses' heating and the fuel for our cars, among many other essential functions. This consistent demand provides a foundation for potential long-term investment gains. Investing in oil can take various forms, catering to different investment preferences, from investing in oil company stocks and exchange-traded funds to directly participating in oil exploration projects. You have options that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Oil continues to play a significant role in meeting global energy demands. This stability, coupled with advancements in technology, opens up opportunities for strategic investments. Tip number 3, investing in real estate. Robert Kiyosaki is a well-known figure in the field of building wealth. His emphasis on real estate perfectly complements his investment philosophy. To create passive income through holdings that have inherent worth for others, the vision of Kiyosaki goes beyond conventional thinking. Let's talk about appreciation, the phenomenon that transforms real estate into a golden asset. Real estate value tends to climb over time, offering investors a chance to reap the rewards of capital gains. This becomes particularly alluring in burgeoning markets and high-demand locales. But wait, there's more. Real estate isn't a one-trick pony. It's a symphony of income streams. Think rental income, the potential for appreciation, and profits from property resale. The realm of real estate is vast, extending far beyond homes and commercial spaces. Imagine industrial warehouses, storage facilities, and cutting-edge spaces like data centers, all generating income and untapped potential. The truth becomes evident. Real estate isn't merely about owning physical properties. It's about owning your financial destiny. With its promise of appreciation, the allure of passive income, and its ability to shield against inflation and provide stability, real estate stands as a formidable ally in achieving those long-term financial aspirations. Tip number 4. Investing in stocks. Picture this: stocks, the seeds of calculated growth. Within them lies the opportunity to claim a stake in companies, to ride the waves of their successes and expansion. Now, it's time for you to consider the sage advice of John MacGregor. By delving into diverse sectors and industries, you can safeguard against risk while aiming to maximize returns. At the heart of stock investing lies something profound: ownership in companies. As you invest in stocks, you essentially become a co-owner, reaping the rewards of their triumphs and growth. This sense of partnership connects your financial journey with the company's journey. I'll tell you a leaf from Robert Kiyosaki's playbook. Beyond traditional stock appreciation, consider the allure of dividend stocks. They present a pathway to cultivating regular income from your investments. Investing in these gems can weave a consistent thread of passive earnings into your financial tapestry. Dividends often flow to shareholders at steady intervals, enhancing your financial gains. Remember that diversification isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. John MacGregor and Robert Kiyosaki remind you that the world of stocks isn't confined to mere trading. It's an avenue to ownership, an alignment with trends, and a dance with dividends, all vital steps toward your financial ambitions. Before investing in any asset, you should understand the core reasons behind financial struggles. Many people right now are living paycheck to paycheck, grappling with financial uncertainty. However, John MacGregor's expertise lies in offering real financial education that addresses these challenges head-on. MacGregor reveals a strategy that's not a gimmick nor a secret sauce. It's a well-laid-out process that's been around for a long time. This strategy isn't just theoretical. It's been tested and proven by John himself and his 92-year-old father, who consistently generates $10,000 to $15,000 a month using this approach. First strategy: the beauty of consistency. In everything, consistency is a must. His father's ability to generate cash flow as a hobby showcases that this strategy is reliable and sustainable. John himself has taken the same strategy and is now passionately teaching it to empower others to take control of their financial destinies. Positive cash flow empowers you to live within your means, make informed financial decisions, and secure your future. Remember, financial success is a journey, and by implementing John's strategies, you're well on your way to taking control of your financial destiny. Second strategy: diversification of investment is the key. Diversification isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about building a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals, while also accounting for global trends and market dynamics. Now, you might be thinking, diversification, huh? Sounds complicated. Well, not to worry, because I'll break it down with the wisdom of the investment legends John MacGregor and Robert Kiyosaki. As John MacGregor wisely suggests, diversification isn't just about tossing a mix of investments together. It's about crafting a tailored portfolio that syncs with your personal risk tolerance and investment dreams. Imagine it as a puzzle, each piece carefully chosen to fit the bigger picture. Now, Robert Kiyosaki reminds us that in this fast-paced world, where economic winds can change in an instant, diversification serves as your shield against the unexpected. All right, I'll put this into context. Imagine you're planning a cross-country road trip. Would you rely on just one route? Of course not. You'd have alternate routes, maybe even a backup GPS. Well, consider your investment journey like that road trip. Diversification is your roadmap to success. Check this out. If stocks take a dip, real estate might be on the rise. If commodities face a challenge, cryptocurrencies could be your golden ticket. It's like having a diverse team of players, each ready to step up when the game gets tough. What is the final verdict then? Stocks and bonds aren't the only assets that can be diversified. It reaches out to include commodities, cryptocurrency, real estate, and more. You may create a strong portfolio that can navigate a variety of market circumstances by carefully choosing a mix of investments, no matter how difficult the processes are. As I wrap up, it's clear that the world's current situation of high inflation and big debts is undoubtedly affecting your finances. However, remember that the market is resilient, and strategic investment decisions, combined with staying informed, can help you weather these challenging times. By combining the insights of Robert Kiyosaki and John MacGregor, you can craft a strategic investment approach that leverages assets like real estate, precious metals, technology, and more. Diversification remains the cornerstone of a resilient investment strategy, helping you navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by high inflation. Remember, the market is ever-changing, and past performance does not always indicate future results. Therefore, consulting with financial professionals and staying updated on market developments is wise. In this chaotic world, staying informed, adapting, and making mindful decisions are essential to regaining control over your life. The insights of Robert Kiyosaki and John MacGregor remind you that while chaos theory might pose challenges, it also offers an opportunity to evolve and empower you. There you have it, folks, a glimpse into Robert Kiyosaki's and John MacGregor's investment minds. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's essential to tailor your strategies to your individual circumstances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy investing.